This is my Logitech K480 multi-device. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. It's got a space on the keyboard to put your tablet or your, it comes out over here, or your phone. It's very nice, fits nicely, doesn't move. The thing I like the most about the keyboard is right here. It has no lag time. I'm interested in writing, and I don't type that fast, but I do find most of the keyboards I was using just don't work that well. Okay, there is the back button. I dislike this keyboard because it doesn't light up at night, because I like to do a lot of work at night, but I put little glow-in-the-dark stickers on it so I know the important keys. There you go. Simple as that. Easy little keyboard to use. It takes 3 devices. 1, 2, 3. You can program each one, and you can use all these operating systems: Android, Windows, Chrome, iOS, or Mac OS, and yeah, it's really easy to program. Everything gets done, and once again, there is no lag time, and I like the sound of the keys. It sounds like typing. They're deep keys, and I like that because I've got arthritis, hands. I like and there you go. That's what I'm going to leave you with, the sound of the keys.